Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so you can invest in the future. Today we're going to do a video on Myro. I got to give this community a big shout out. I posted a couple shorts and that community went wild on them, sharing them, liking them, subscribers joining up. The analytics look amazing. So big thanks to the new community members to the channel. And this is why I'm making this video, because we're #1 trending on CoinMarketCap. We'll talk about that. I'm gonna give you guys two different ways on how to buy Myro if you're interested in buying Myro. Of course, not financial advice, but we're also gonna talk about what Myro's about, and we're gonna do some price prediction and technical analysis at the end of the video. So make sure you guys watch to the very end. Let's go ahead and get this started. Let's start right at the top, and then we'll talk about how to buy, the price predictions and whatnot. But we got welcome to Myro. Myro, the dog named after Solana co-founder Raj, his puppy that he has. So they named a dog after that, and they're going to talk about Myro. But this is bullish because we noticed that Solana has been picking up. If you're bullish on Solana, hashtag Solana down below, share this video. Like I said, also there's a link down below where you guys can tap into the Money Bags Mansion where I do AMAs and whatnot, where I'm going to post this video if you guys want to show some support and let people know how strong the Myro community is. You guys can post some emojis on there and whatnot like that. But about Myro. So many may ask, what is Myro? Myro is the name of the dog owned by Raj, one of the co-founders of Solana. This project pays homage to him and his dog and responds to the popular demand for dog-based narratives in the crypto space. Myro was created in response to this demand and to provide value to the ecosystem created by Raj and his partners, the Solana blockchain. This is something that we're going to talk about nonstop. A lot of people didn't want to recognize, meme coins' influence in this crypto space. But now that Solana's taking off and all things are going the right way, how Solana wants it to go, of course, there should be a meme. We've seen, what could happen with Sheeb. We've seen what could happen with Doge. We've seen what could happen with Pepe. Now, Solana deserves its own meme coin to take off, and a community base that believes in not just Myro, but also the blockchain altogether. So Myro is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's also a movement. We believe in Solana, exactly what I'm talking about, has the potential to change the world for the better. And we are committed to making it more inclusive and welcoming for everyone. This is going to be great, not just for Myro, but especially for Solana. We want to make this work. We want something like this. And this could be that early project. We see it taking off on some charts. I also have a link for BYDFi where we're going to do the technical analysis on the prices of Myro, but we see a chart looking like this. I mean, amazing when it comes to Myro and what it's looking like on some CEXs. It's on MEXC and whatnot like that, but we'll check that out in just a bit. So let's continue. We got with Myro, we have created a revolutionary digital currency that is designed for simplicity, security, and accessibility. Our goal is to provide seamless crypto experience for everyone. Whether you are an experienced trader or a curious beginner, Myro is here to meet your needs and assist you in exploring the world of digital currencies. We're going to be talking a lot about education as far as that goes with cryptocurrency, because we're expecting this influx of new retail investors, people, especially with the Bitcoin ETF. People are going to spill into the DeFi space and they're going to find out about other blockchains, about, the stories of SHIB millionaires or SHIB millionaires, however you want to say it, and the potential of if this is going to be that next one, right? We see it trending on CoinMarketCap. There's a lot of comments on there that say, yes, this is the next one. This will be one of the top 7. And we'll check one of those comments out in just a bit. But how to buy Myro. So this is one way that you guys can purchase Myro. You can purchase Myros in various different ways. We recommend downloading Phantom Wallet, purchasing Solana, sending it to your Phantom address and swapping using Phantom in-app wallet. Or on a decentralized exchange like Jupiter, you can purchase Myro multi-chain using our integrated Maya swap or swap Jupiter if you already own some Sol. So if you already own some Solana, you can do it using this one right here. You can use this. If you're going to do it through the DeFi space, definitely come and do it through this. I'm going to have this link down below. Next to the other links is going to be myrothedog.com, and use these widgets so like that you're doing it the safe way, because obviously when there's a lot of hype and a lot of things going on around this, we have to keep the community safe with people that are not out don't have our best interests in mind. So we got the Myro buy bot, so Solana's first public buy bot on Telegram. That's going to get a lot of exposure. Like I said, this is doing it not just for Myro but also Solana. So we need this for not just Solana but for Myro. This is going to go hand in hand, promoting cross-pollination and offering free exposure through Myro trending As adoption grows, a small fee for trending will be introduced, with the chance for free inclusion. Generated revenues feeds into the treat jar treasury for transparency, contributing to Myro's growth. That is very nice right there. And this is very bullish because it's going to be making revenue already for this. Myro staking. I like the full potential of Myro investment with our staking pool utility, seamless stakes. Seamlessly stake your coins, earn sustainable rewards, and contribute to Solana's decentralization. User friendly and secure. It's the hassle free way to maximize your crypto returns. And right now is the time. Not financial advice, we'll get that out the way. But right now is the time where you want to start to position yourself with Bitcoin ETFs going live. We've seen the markets pull back. That's not a big deal. We got the Bitcoin halving coming up, and we have a lot of things to be looking forward to because no matter what, at the end of the day, there's going to be more exposure. No matter where the price is at, there's more eyes now looking at this cryptocurrency market. Further utilities, Myro is set to transform the Solana ecosystem, delivering essential utilities or the evolving needs for users. Our commitment ensures a dynamic contribution to Solana's long-term growth, serving hundreds of thousands of users. Of course, this is something that will be coming soon, maybe something as we grow, something that the community wants. It could be something to do with education because, like I said, we're going to have to teach a lot of people what's going on. Zero tax token buy and sell. We see it trading on MEXC. We're going to check out their X page as well. Why choose Myro? So we went over this a little bit. You know, it's the meme the meme for Solana, and it deserves that. Solana deserves its own meme, and that's what Myro has the potential to do. So if you guys believe that it has the potential to be the next, you know, Pepe or whatnot on the Solana blockchain, leave some comments down below. Help me get this video, you know, to 100 likes. Smash the like button, share this, and help me push this out. So we can also give them a follow. Make sure you guys do this as well if you're bullish on them, at Myro SOL. Okay, they're sitting at 39K, about 40K. We see some giveaways as well right here. TikTok competition, $5,000. Top 10 people will win $500. So they're starting to turn up the heat. We're gonna like and retweet this. I suggest you guys come over here and do the same. Same thing I'm gonna ask with this video. Join the Moneybags Mansion down below as well. But we got some tweets, or we got some comments right here that I thought was pretty bullish because, you know, we see it at 14 cents. And this is what you want to see when something's starting to do that takeover right here. You know, top 7 meme coins that could surpass Dogecoin by 2030. And that is a mature, respectable goal. Looking at it at 2030 and not expecting it to happen by tomorrow, like a long-term project. And, you know, if Solana continues to grow and Myro really plants his feet as that, you know, meme token of Solana, it gets a head start before everybody else starts to rush while they're building on Solana. So can Myro get up to $1? Hashtag $1 for Myro. I think it has the potential. You know, we don't see Coinbase, we don't see Binance on here, so it has some potential to definitely, you know, grow for sure with more exposure. There's some other levels to break out, and we see some more. You know, Myro paper hands will be ready to buy your bags, buy high, sell low. I mean, this is the type of hype that you want. I'm inside of TG. I'm gonna ask everybody to TG, you know, go crazy in the comments on this video because this is the type of community you want. It's live. It's happening right now, right before our eyes. We see the prices picking up. Let's go ahead and start to lay some support and resistance for Myro on BYD5, which I do have a link down below for you guys to tap in. You guys can support the channel by using that referral link. That'll get you some, I think, up to $150, give or take, as far as some bonuses if you tap in with that link. So let's go ahead and identify this. We are on a 4-hour chart. The all-time high was close to that 2 cent or close to that 20 cents mark. And let's go ahead and just get these channels locked in. And then we'll layer this chart up, but we should be looking zoomed out. We're already going back to the upside to go push on that 20 cents mark. So, like, you know, FOMO can kick in at any time. Like, you got to ask yourself, do you want to miss out, or is this going to be that one? And, you know, let's go ahead and layer the chart up real quick. Okay, so we see it holding on right here. Prior resistance, future support, and I'll show you exactly what I mean right here. And this is another place where you guys can buy. Myro is on BYD5 using that link down below. Tap in and use it on the spot trading and stuff. Okay, so we see that resistance, then that resistance becoming support. That's usually bullish right there, right? Once it breaks past the resistance, it has to go up, has to come back down, kind of hold on. And you guys will see that we'll have that same kind of pattern play out once we break above this. Something breaking above the 20 cents, coming right back down to go ahead and push back up to the upside. So we are in that range where, you know, at the 11 cents is definitely load up. If you're trading this, if you wanted to at 17 cents, you know, you can think about taking some profits. But, you know, this could just be that project that you might not want to do that. You might not want to miss out on this and, you know, and play these games and wait. So we see that range starting to present itself as we start to layer the chart down by the time frames. So yeah, so we see this is an area that are held on to right above that psychological barrier, you know, 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, or a dollar, $1.50, $2. Psychological barriers are always resistant. So our psychological barrier is going to be that 20 cents mark, pushing on to that next zone. So 15. So yeah, these are the zones we'll be looking at. So you guys can buy on BYD5. There's a link down below. You guys can buy off. I suggest if you're gonna buy, it's not financial advice, but use their official links, which I'll have these links right down in the description. And you guys can use their official widgets off their website. Make sure, like I said, tap in with them on their official X at Myro, capitalize SOL. And make sure you guys continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.